As we saw millions lose power in Texas under ERCOT's independent power grid. Our supplier SWEPCO says they were far more prepared for the winter weather. SWEPCO says their grid operates much differently than ERCOT's. It's a member utility managed by the Southwest Power Pool that includes 14 states and 800 generation facilities, which SWEPCO officials say made their grid a lot more resilient than what was seen in West Texas.
It's really all comes back to how it's managed. And we certainly feel like the SPP grid that we're a part of was managed much better. We prepared for this. We saw the cold weather coming.
SWEPCO supplies power to Deep East and North Texas. The grid runs from Louisiana to the Canadian border, so Corbin says it experiences a lot of winter weather and was in better shape to handle extreme temperatures versus ERCOT that provides power to the majority of Texans.
They had a large number of power plants that either were not online or it was too cold for them to bring them online. They had coal plants where the coal froze and they couldn't burn it in their furnaces. So a lot of things went on there just because they're exempt from federal guidelines.
The winter storm was so unprecedented that for the first time ever, SPP had to call for controlled outages to sustain the power grid. Corbin says SWEPCO held rolling blackouts on that Monday and Tuesday, where people's power was turned off for about 2 hours, and after that, the grid stabilized. He says SWEPCO is also dedicated to diversifying their power grid with a mix of fossil fuels and renewable energy. They're building a new wind farm in North Texas in the Oklahoma Panhandle that was not online during the storm, but is built to handle extreme winter weather.
On any given day, summer or winter, there's about 60% of the power that's generated is coming from wind right now. So we believe in renewables. We're going to continue to expand.
As far as customers' electricity bills, Corbin says because so much natural gas was needed during the cold temperatures, there will be a spike in fuel costs, but it would not show up on people's bills until at least 2 months from now. However, SWEPCO is working with a Public Service Commission and regulators this week to spread out the cost over a year or 2-year period so people are not hit with such a large bill all at once.